Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is I Pray We All Be Ready, and that is by Chicago Mass Choir, and we're in the key of D flat. And guys, you know what? That was requested by Bromwell. Thank you so much, Bromwell, for giving us a good song to work on and practice on today. And you know what? To kick things off, yep, I got my Celsius. I'm going to try it out. This is Fantasy Vibe Celsius. I want you guys to go to your favorite refrigerator, open it up, grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, sit down at it and learn with your favorite instructor, me, AK, on today. All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of F. That is F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have Chicago Mass in the building. They're in the back warming up. They're in the numerical cave on today. Let's go ahead and stretch our fingers. Stretch them out. I think we're ready. Let's receive Chicago Mass Choir. That was I Pray We All Be Ready by Chicago Mass Choir. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So let's start off with I pray we all be ready. I pray we all be ready. I pray we all be ready for his return. Let me give you that. So we're starting out on the 1. We got a regular F chord here. We're going to our 3. That's an F dominant 7. We're going to our 4, regular B flat chord. Back to our 3. Now we're playing a F chord. We're going to our 6 flat, very nice gospel chord here. This is a G diminished 7 chord. Going to our 6, and that's an F6 chord. Pray we all be ready. That's a G dominant 7 chord for his return. Going to the 5, that's a C dominant 7. Nice gospel movement here. What are we doing? We're playing a D minor chord, B flat, D, go to your 5, regular C chord. Walk up. What is that? 6, we're playing the B flat 2 chord. Walking up to our 7, that's a regular C2 chord. Next part, we're on the 1, we're playing the regular F chord. Going up to our 3, F dominant 7. Going to our B flat major chord on the 4, F chord on the 3. Let me give you that nice gospel change. So we're on the 7 flat. We're playing this chord. We're walking down to our 6 flat. We're playing this chord. We're on our 5, F chord. We're playing our G dominant 7 chord on the 2. We're going to our 5 and we're playing the C dominant chord. Then we go to our F chord on the 1. Playing a B flat chord on the 1. Resolve with the F chord on the 1. Now, guys, if that's all I gave you, that's enough. That's the whole song. But I want to give you a couple things that you can do to make it more interesting. So I pray we all be ready. So this is a nice gospel change right here. Let me give you that. D minor, D flat minor, going to the C minor, and you have 3 in the bass. So that's a nice one, right? We can continue. Pray we all be ready. Look. All right, what did I do? I'm playing my 5 flat, going to the 5, and now I'm playing my target chord. All right, what else can you do? Okay, we can do that. Okay, what is that? That is D, D flat, C, for his return. Guys, that's the song. I hope that was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is stay the course. I'll never forget a night from our early parenting years, driving home from my wife's parents' house with our daughters in the car. The road ahead was dark and empty, barely lit by any street lights, when out of nowhere I saw a deer darting toward us from the left. My wife, who was driving, panicked, but I told her firmly, "Don't swerve, stay on the path." We clipped the deer and it disappeared into the woods. The car did suffer some minor damage, but we were safe and we kept going. That night taught me an important lesson about life. Challenges will appear suddenly, trying to shake your focus or push you off track. But if you hold steady and stay on your path, you'll make it through, even if the journey gets a little bumpy. Awesome job. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you so much for coming in and learning with me, your favorite instructor. And guys, you know what? I want to tell you, thank you so much for sharing. Thank you for sharing this awesome content to your friends, to your neighbors, to anyone who want to learn. I want you to head on over to Facebook. We have a Facebook page. The title is Numerical Melodies. Go to Facebook, type in Numerical Melodies. And that's me playing all of the songs I love to hear and play. And I hope you do as well. We have a section. It's called Viewers Request. Yes, tell me a song that you want to learn. I will learn it. I will play it. And that's Viewers Request. Guys, check it out. Facebook, that's Numerical Melodies, Viewers Request. Go and check it out. Guys, also, we have a bell. I want you to hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Some people say it takes a long time. Some people say it takes a short time to hit that subscribe button. I think it takes 3 seconds. Let's try it out. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit the bell. Thank you so much. You have made my day. Guys, you are not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.